day everyone. A lot of things has been bothering me and I don't know what to say. This is a video concerning the real estate company and then the state government of Lagos State. I don't know what is going on. In today's video, I don't want to talk much. I just want you to watch this video and tell me who is at fault here. Is it the real estate management or the state government? Because I can't see in a situation where after state government give approval, then the whole estate one day was demolished by state government. Is it that they didn't give approval for that estate, or there's something fishy somewhere else, or the real estate management just wake up, that's selling the land to people? This particular incident happened in Rockview Street, Ajao Estate, Lagos, which in a broad daylight, a state government bring tractor, start demolishing people's property. Is it that that place is not approved for the erection of that building, or there's something else? Please, what's really going on now? In fact, before I say anything, I want you to just sit down, watch this video from beginning to the end, and drop your comment. I'll be right back after the video.
I've demolished my house. I was in the hospital. They just told me that they have started demolishing our house. They are demolishing the whole street. Oh, they just come and started demolishing. They are demolishing everywhere. They are demolishing. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, I could not bring out my property. I could not bring out my documents. They are demolishing everywhere. See. They are demolishing everywhere. Oh, the whole building, the whole house, they are demolishing. Oh, Rossview at Ajao Estate. Rossview at Ajao Estate. Oh, they are demolishing everywhere. Rossview.
Okay, this video you just watched now. This incident happened at Rockview, Ajao Estate in Lagos.
I could not bring out anything from my house.
I don't know what is going on.
I could not bring anything.
As a state government, before you can demolish person property, at least inform them. If you have issue with the real estate management, inform the occupier of that particular building. Allow them to pack their property before you can just come up and demolish everything, demolish the building with their property inside. How would you expect them to cope? How would you going to expect them to cope? Or you want them to start afresh? Their property are inside the building, but you bring everything down together with the building. What is going on in this country? I'm speechless right now. What is going on in this country? State government, they have to do something about this. Is the fault from the real estate management, or the fault is from the people? Or is the fault from the government? What is really going on in this country? Please, share this video and drop your comment.